So Nads,
Yeah.
just had a chat with the vet.
Yeah?
Chi-Chi's waiting for us.
Oh!
Except the tragedy is we can't bring her home because of course Toffee's got kennel
What did
cough.
they say about her?
So they say that given everything she's gone through, she's in fine fettle.
Oh.
We need to keep putting eye drops in one of her eyes and keep an eye on that, and she'll have to be checked up again in about another 2 or 3 weeks.
And of course she can't come home.
And she can't come
because
home.
of Toffee's kennel cough.
So she's going to Patrick's, Maddie's Patrick's. We were very kindly going to
We've got
look after her.
quarantine her now.
Can you believe it?
I can't believe it.
So I'll be able to see her briefly in the car, and then I'll take Maddie over to her boyfriend's. But she's coming back.
Thank God!
We're going to hear the pitter-patter of her little feet. Chichini. Chichini is coming. Must phone, yes, phone. Huh?
Thank Kiki.
So we're waiting for Chi-Chi, me and Maddie. For some reason, we were looking forward to some daddy-daughter time last week.
Ended up being
getting Chi-Chi in as an emergency to here. So we're just waiting to see her come out. We don't know how she's going to be, what she's going to look like. Maddie's just suggested she might walk out on her hind legs, like that, with a point.
feeling better than ever.
Yeah, and she went in not knowing what the hell was going on. So we can see her in a minute. There she is.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, don't. Oh, oh, sweetie. Oh, God.
Hiya.
Hello. Chi-Chi. Oh, sorry, just had to film this for her sister. Hi, Matt. Chi-Chi, calm down, calm down. Calm down.
Hello, baby.
Oh, sweetheart.
Oh my God.
Sweetheart. Chi-Chi. Chi-Chi.
Oh, baby.
Oh, God. Oh, look at her.
Oh,
Sweetie. Chi-Chi. Oh. Chi-Chi. Chi-Chi. Hello, with your red eyes. Hey, with your red eyes. Hey. Oh, sweetheart. What have you been through?
been through hell.
What have you been through? Gee. That doesn't...
Sit down. Probably not.
Hello.
Chi-Chi!
Oh,
Chi-Chi!
Chi-Chi.
Who's
Oh, darling. Oh, look at her tongue.
Chi-Chi, sit. Come here. Hey, baby.
Oh, she can move around.
Yeah, she's so excited. Look.
Yeah, look. Hey, Chi-Chi. Chi-Chi.
Is she allowed to go for walks?
Yeah. Chi-Chi.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
look.
There she is.
Look at that tongue. Oh my god, I've got to get a photo of that. Chi-Chi.
Oh.
She's so... Oh, baby. Oh,
Oh, God. Oh, look at her.
oh, Chi-Chi.
Sweetie.
Oh,
Chi-Chi. We've got through the joy of Chi-Chi coming back, but we had this real headache of Toffee having kennel cough. That's Nadia next door in the doghouse with Chi-Chi. And we're trying to obviously stave off the prospect of her getting kennel cough for as long as we possibly can. But my God, she's sweet. I'll take you in there later today to see her with the cone of shame. She's got the cone of shame, though someone has suggested we get the rubber ring of... So I've got the cone of shame, the rubber ring of humiliation. That's what we're going for. But look, this is how Toffee's been. Toffs? Toffs, look, Toffs? Toffee? She's not even turning around to me. She's desperate to see her mate, and this is the sweetest thing. They're constantly competing with each other, but when push comes to shove, they are inextricably entwined. They are from the same family. They miss each other. They're siblings, if not by blood, by nature. And so sometimes they have a little bit of sibling rivalry. We all know about that, apart from me, because I don't have any siblings. Oh, I've got a gift for Nadia. Look. We've all run out of masks. Our masks keep going missing. She loves Garfield, so I've got her that mask. And she loves Marilyn Monroe. I've got that mask. I've got the girls' some too. I've got a mask that's got Leonardo DiCaprio on it from Romeo and Juliet. Yeah, because obviously I won't be able to film the girls because they don't like being filmed. God, I think I've got kennel cough. Toffs, have you given me your cold? Kennel cough, apparently it's really, really contagious. Here are some flowers from the garden. Basically, I'm just talking to you because I've really missed you. Shut up, have you missed us?
We'll just give it to her again. It's all right, you don't need to put that thing up. Toffee's not coming in. She's sleeping.
How is she? Tell subs.
Oh, God, well, she's had a couple of coughs. So I've just given her a remedy, a homeopathic remedy, for those that are interested, called aconite. And she's got to have a dose of that every 15 minutes. And apparently it can kill it if you get it at the first signs of the cough.
Wow.
So we will see.
Okay, close your eyes. Hold your hands out. Don't open them until I say. Separate your two hands. So don't open it yet. Because we're all struggling. Keep your eyes closed, because we're all struggling with each other's masks. I thought I'd get some tailored situation. So here, have a look.
Oh, I love it. Scum. Oh, they're great. I love them. Oh, I really love them.
They're nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're like the black ones that we've got that are really
Oh,
good.
the girls would like these with Marilyn.
I've got them some.
Oh.
And they're a nice shape.
Oh, really nice.
Yeah.
Oh, I like
They're
that.
from that skateboard company.
Oh, I really like them. Thanks, baby. That's
all
nice.
right.
Right. I haven't had a present for ages.
And I've got you a COVID present.
Yeah. Okay, so through that door is basically it's basically dog intensive care. So we have to go through a bit of a procedure. I have to anti-back mark. Legs.
Hang on, I'm going to do something else. So what I have to do is step out of these.
Step out of those. Let me just spray your legs and your hands.
She's coughing into the room.
And there's our little, hang on. There is our Chichini. There she is.
The cone of shame.
Coming through. I've already de-sprayed and de-loused.
We've now got to give her, what we're going to do now is give her artificial tears.
Yeah. This is the procedure. So Kiki has been giving her a remedy every 15 minutes. This is our homeopathic kit. So I'm also giving her something called arnica and hypercal to help her with the itch and the wounds. Has she been itching as much? No, but has she been wanting to itch? And then Mark.
Artificial tears.
So how often do you do those?
You give her these six times a day.
6 times. So we're basically in and out of here all day. So here we go. Chichi, say hello to the subs. They love you. They've missed you. If you knew how many thousands of messages they've sent to you.
No.
Oh, God love her.
I know.
Cone of
I might
shame.
need your help. What's that green stuff on her nose?
She smelled something out in the garden.
Oh, typical Chichi.
Typical Chi-Chi.
So typical. Right. Okay.
You need a set between your
Come here,
legs.
darling. Turn around. Just mindful of her wounds there on her legs. Okay, so here you go, sweetheart. Here you go. Here you go. Oh,
That's one.
One. Good girl.
Good girl. Good girl. Oh, I missed.
How long do we have to do
Hold her
this
head
for?
up. No, she's getting out. She's getting
I've
out.
got her. I've got her.
Hold her head up a bit. If you could have just hold her there. I got it.
Ah,
Good girl.
poor old
Good
Chichi.
girl.
She's been through so much. Oh, with that cone of shame.
The cone of shame.
We've rolled all the carpets up because, of course,
That
Toffee
basically
will have been
means
in.
I give her those. That means she can cry.
And here's Toffee, constantly waiting. Toffee, come here. Come on. bless them.
Oh, Toffee's. Have you told the subs about the sandwich they were making?
We're not going to lie, guys. It's exhausting, especially getting up the cough. We're being woken up all night because of the cough. So last night, Chi-Chi was the other side of that door, crying, doing a high-pitched doggy cry. And Toffee was lying here, really like serene, and just going to her, whoa, whoa, oh, making a sound I've never heard before, a bit like a nursing dog. And she soothed Chi-Chi quiet.
Oh.
How long are you going to be able to keep this up?
Hang on, let me give you an action. Ow. Okay, and action.
Hi, babe.
What's going on?
Oh, I've been up in my fluff game.
What do I say?
So if you can come and go, oh my God. I just need you every day.
What?
I just need you to be you.
Oh, right, okay.
So a bit more of a like.
All right.
So,
All
what
right.
do you prefer? Myth? What's fluffier? Oh, Nadia.
Action.
Hi, babe.
Hiya. Oh my God, what's going on here?
I've been up in my fluff game.
You have, haven't you?
Yeah, so what's fluffier, babe?
Oh, blimey. What are we going to have with it? That's lovely.
Get like a lusty voice. So you say, oh, Nadia. And so everyone thinks it's me. You're going to say fluffy and
know.
go, what are we going to have with it?
I've done it.
A beat.
Yeah. Blimey, what's going on here?
I've been up in my fluff game,
You
babe.
have, haven't you?
What do you think's fluffier?
Oh. What are we going to have with it then?
Just in your own accent. You've got, whoa, what are we having with it? It's like, who are you? You come in as Mark and do it exactly like that, but with your accent.
Okay, all right. Don't know what's happened to me, guys. I've become Ray Winstone. Oh, God, it's so hot. Action.
Hi, babe.
Hiya. What was that?
Go back.
Oh my God. Action. Oh my God, what's going on here?
Well, I've been up in my fluff game, haven't I, babe?
You certainly have.
So, what's fluffier?
Oh, babe, can I have...
Oh, you were so...
Just waiting for Toffee to vomit before take 3.
Take 3, take 10.
Action. Oh, blimey, what's going on here?
Oh, well, I've been up in my fluff game, haven't I? So, what's fluffier?
Ooh. What are you having with it?
You literally can't... Ooh, what are we having with
I
it?
was trying to be
Oh,
me.
don't you understand what I'm saying?
No.
Right, I'm saying to you, am I fluffier or the rice fluffier? And you're saying you want the people to think he's going to say, oh,
Ooh.
Nadia,
But
you're
as soon as I go,
fluffier.
ooh.
But he doesn't. He goes, oh, Nadia. Well, what are we having with it?
I know, but
Mark, please.
I wouldn't.
It's too hot.
I wouldn't say that in a normal
I'm
voice.
hot and the rice is getting cold.
Oh, blimey, what's going on here?
Well, I've been up in my fluff game, haven't I, babe? So,
You have.
what's fluffier?
Ooh. What are we going to have with it then?
The problem is that timing. I might do the first story not so sexy. Hi, babe.
Hiya. Oh my Lord, look at you.
I've been up in my fluff game.
You have.
So what's fluffier?
The rice. Oh. You sound like Ray Winstone now. God, you're nice, aren't you? You're generous, a generous performer. Oh, blimey, what's going on here?
Well, I've been up in my fluff game, haven't I?
You
so
have.
what's fluffier, babe?
What are we having with it then?
Mark?
What's that?
Don't you think you're lucky that you get to work with somebody like me? Mark! Mark!
Look, subs. Yeah. Oh, look, you can see her eyes, just on the white of her eye. Oh, she's wrapped you up in love in Leeds. Chi-Chi, 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 Chi-Chi.
Oh,
Is that nice?
That's her first walk out.
Oh,
Nice.
Gigi.
Got poo bags.
Yeah. Is that nice? Chichana. Oh, straight in. No problem there.
Hello.
She's looking up. It'd be funny if she sort of just makes a full recovery.
I wonder if she'll use this as an advantage because obviously she has her cone on all the time. So she'll take the cone off. And I wonder if now she'll just go, I'm going to eat like Craggy.
Yeah, she's going to run off.
This is my moment.
She's going to run off and nibble her.
Yeah.
Oh, to be honest with you, I didn't think we'd see that again, Cooks.
Oh my God. So
In times there. Hey, Chi-Chi.
how happy she is.
Chi-Chi. Chi-Chi. Say hello to Maddie. I tell you what, Cheech.
Won't it be funny if some kennel cough dog is just coughed there
Yeah,
and splattered?
but Chi-Chi, can I just say Chi-Chi? But Nads, she looks thinner. It's like she's been to a spa.
It's quite interesting that she's not pulling away from the lead. I think she's quite liking that she's attached.
The safety.
Yeah.
She's having a look. Oh, I think she can see more than we think. What do you think, Chi-Chi? Is this a bridge to normal living? I honestly, subs, didn't think we'd be doing this again. It was so dark, and the fact that she can see things, and she's seeing birds, and she's seeing Kiki about 8 different times in different ways, and walking in circles and spotting things and looking up and looking around. We did not only not think she was going to be here, we also were really concerned for her sight. So it's truly, again, gratitude. Gratitude. Chi-Chi, is it nice to be in the woods?
Nice.
Is it nice? Yeah. Can you believe it, Nads?
No,
I mean, to be honest,
can't.
you weren't up against her at her worst, though, were you?
Yeah,
So
I knew it. I didn't see it.
no, but you could tell.
I could tell from what you were saying how bad it was.
So Chi-Chi, how you doing? Chichana, how you doing? What is it? Oh, careful.
Silly move.
Oh, hey. Oh, look at you jump.
Yeah, mouse smell. That's gross.
Smelly mouth. What's that? Chi-Chi, what's that?
But the top of her head
What's
smells
that?
really nice.
What's that? What's this?
She keeps wanting to get
Chi-Chi.
in the car.
Chi-Chi, what's this? What's that? What's that?
She's so
Chi-Chi, what's
silly.
that? What's that?
Chi-Chi with it.
How'd your haircut? Oh, it looks lovely. Oh, I really like it. Where did you get it done?
I'm so pleased, Mark. It was driving me
Oh.
up the wall.
Where did you get it done?
The place there's no used to go to in Islington.
That's really nice.
Does it?
Yeah, that's great. Really suits you.
Oh, it's
Shows
so
off your
long,
fabulously
isn't it?
shaped head.
Except that I've got my mother's double chin there. I know.
I haven't.
Not as bad as my mum, but
No,
I've
not
got a
bad.
bit. Oh, sorry, I was trying to pull it
No, that's all right. Oh, thank you. You good? Hello. Say hello to the subs. We haven't done an entry for ages. So look, that's the situation there. Maddie's in there with her. Toffee's actually better, believe it.
Yeah, no, I can believe that.
And she only gets like that when she gets excited.
Yeah. Oh,
Hey, look, I've got a cheesecloth shirt on. Feel it.
I used to wear these in the 70s.
Look, my stripes go in the opposite direction to yours.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, anyway, I'm about to take Coots to the opticians.
Yeah,
And then I'll be back later. And then she's off to school next week.
No, not
Yeah,
next
for 2
week.
days. Yeah, for 2
Oh,
days.
for 2 days next week.
So guys, it's that day again where I wear tortoiseshell glasses and a cheesecloth shirt. Doesn't really happen often. There's Nanny Di, we've missed her. Have you had a good week?
I have.
Oh good. Dentists?
Oh, dentist until I'm sick of it.
Anything else? Films?
And this
Hair?
hair.
Films?
And no, there was no films I wanted to see.
Art.
Can you actually believe that?
Nanny Di's taking Kiki to take Britain tomorrow to see
Yeah,
who?
and I'm very overexcited. Paula Rego, do people know? Do subs know?
Don't
Paula
know. Do
Rego.
you know Paula Rego?
Portuguese lady who lives in Britain. Very, very good. Painting's a bit weird, but see
very good.
whether people like it or not. I'm excited, subs. And what else have I got to tell you? My Oliver.
Oliver?
what's his name?
Shakespeare.
Oscar Wilde.
Oscar Wilde.
Finished.
Oh.
There were 3 things on last night on Oscar Wilde on
Were there?
BBC 4, yeah.
Oh, what are you watching at the moment?
And nothing.
There's nothing on, is there?
No, did you know that?
Your face is so earnest. No!
No,
Did you see the Truffle Hunters?
I saw that it was on, but Mark, I actually
Couldn't be
bring
bothered.
myself to it.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Yeah, don't let Toffee in.
No.
So,
Subs, this is a difficult moment. Oh, my baby! Oh, Chichi, it's me! Can she jump off?
Yeah.
Oh,
Close the door down. I can't let go of her.
oh, bless you! Look exactly the same, doesn't she?
she's really full of beans.
Chichi! Oh, she says this bloody thing on my head. I hate it. Oh, you are gorgeous.
Oh,
It's just when you see her belly as
yeah,
well.
she's got.
Oh, bless her heart. What
Isn't it
about?
nice to have her back?
Isn't it?
But she's actually in a better state than Toffee, and that's good that she's doing that. But we've just got to keep an eye on the.
Yeah.
Look
She
at
was,
the.
when she first came back, she bumped into everything.
Oh, I
Did
know.
she?
See her through.
Couldn't see a
And
thing.
also,
I think the drops are working. Eye drops.
Gigi!
I was going to say, I can't even tell that her eyes are.
No.
They're
her eyes
very
are-
red.
Are
One
they?
looks like kind of clotty.
She can definitely see though.
Yeah,
can't
yeah,
she?
yeah.
Oh,
She's desperate. She just wants to go out.
how do you do that in terms of going to the
have to-
toilet?
Well, so far we just haven't done it. Have
Oh,
we?
go
No.
to the toilet, we just take
Take her out the front.
Oh, good thing.
I mean,
She
we.
hasn't done a poo yet. She only really tends
I
to
know,
do
she
that.
hasn't
when
done a
goes to
poo
the
for
garden,
like a
so
day.
I'm worried that she's holding it.
But you know, we have to. We're trying to do it for as long as we can. I mean, it's proving so difficult as it is.
Yeah.
She whines a lot,
Yeah.
and Toffee. You know, they're just desperate to see each other. You know, Toffee was sat on one side of the door making a like a pining mum.
She was really distressed apparently, and Toffee was on the other side of the door, like calming Chi-Chi down.
They
by
both
making-
know, don't
Yeah.
they? Oh, it must
Go on
seem
in,
so
Chi-Chi.
weird.
Off. You got a cigarette? Have you got a fag?
That's why she's coughing.
Do you need a light?
What do you think you're doing? Oh.
She's inviting us to play.
Yeah. Subs, are these glasses too big for my face?
They are quite big.
Everybody's killing themselves laughing and saying they're too big. I just went into the shop.
Sides, like, go, like,
Turn to the
so
side.
far.
Turn. Look
Oh,
to the
yeah.
look to the door to the doghouse. Come on, you look like a sort of New York academic.
I feel
Can you
like
see
one.
anything?
No. Well, because it's
What with your hair and your glass? Have you gone for an image change?
yeah. And you need a book.
Yeah. Joan Didion-esque.
Joan Didion or Carol Oates. What's her name?
Joyce.
Joyce Carol Oates. Thank you, Mark.
Yeah.
What is going on with my head? Of course, they think my face is supposed to be big, aren't they? Not this
great.
big, maybe. Are they bigger than
They're a bit
this?
too big.
Are they?
Wait, let me take a photo so I don't know what they look like.
Oh yeah. He's doing his what? I look all right.
No, they're cool, but...
Makes you look much younger, your hair.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, keep your hair
Wait,
short
put
in
them
old
on,
age.
'cause maybe
Well, I
this-
always knew that actually, but it wasn't a question of not wanting it cut. It was a question of being unable to get it cut.
You're going to make that noise all night. You're
Make
gonna
him
make...
stop.
Look at your foot. Your foot's kind of going like this. It's like you're trying to avoid something.
Stop.
I see it. Here it goes. It's trying to turn a different corner. To say that only half of you is veering off is odd.
Oh God.
So just to explain, guys, we're off to see the purge, the final purge, the forever purge.
The final purge is forever.
And we were all saying it's kind of amazing that it's not actually happened in real life. And I then said, well, it kind of has on social media because trolls try and want people to die, really. That's why they do it, because they're trying to kill people. And so in a way, the purge is already happening in a sort of virtual fashion. We love your haircut, Mum. How's your foot?
Where's the
Look, there it goes. Look, off to the left. It's going off to the left, look.
Where's the cinema?
Let's cross.
We should be out of breath.
really look like the wrong leg is on each side.
I felt
Take your
that
mask off now, Mum. What's it like being out? I don't know if we're going to make it home, Mum.
I don't know either.
So we've just come out of seeing the Forever Purge. I don't think we're ever going to make it home because I think we're going to get... Was Nanny... Oh God, she literally... She just dropped out a shot. I turned around and it was like some masked individual. It's kind of... Didn't you think the politics were kind of intriguing? Escaping from America to Mexico rather than Mexico to America. I quite like that. And also the logical extension of far-right Trumpism is all those lunatics driving around storming the Capitol Hill.
Oh, of course, all of that. I mean, within its limited sphere, it was funny. Of course, let's all flee to Mexico.
But like Kiki said, it was a bit too much of a shoot 'em up.
Yeah, it was far.
It wasn't scary enough.
I didn't know how to.
Yeah, the main guy didn't know how to have emotions. I wanted it to be a bit more sophisticated. Go, Mum.
I thought she.
Go as fast as you can go in a straight line. Go on. That's quite fast, Mum.
Get her in the get taken out.
Yeah. Why do you hold your shoulders up so high? Yeah, you need to lower them, Mum.
Look, I'm bringing
Do a bit like yeah, Mum, your knuckles are going to... Mum, I've never seen you stand like that. That's so weird. It's a first for everything. Look. Still sin breeze.
And the lights turned off.
Oh, that's a bit worrying. That's a light.